Welcome to part 2, and part 2 will cover the girl version of the Father's Day card. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, last time we learned how to make a Father's Day card, but it had a boy, and it won't be nice to the girls who would like to try this. So, in this video, I will teach you how to draw the girl and the father as well. The first step is easy and we all know it, and that is to make your card by folding it in half. Now we are ready to draw the girl. We already know how to draw the dad, but just to make life easier, I am gonna teach you how to draw the dad. But for now, let's focus on the girl. And the first step is to draw a big curve, kinda like the letter C. Next, draw a line from the left side of the curve like this, so you can connect the whole thing together. And then make that line go inside the curve shape like this. This is the hair, or at least the back of the girl's hair. Now, draw the girl's face like this. After the face, draw the braids, and all you have to do is draw two skinny, curved 11s at the bottom of the hair. And then at the end of the braid, draw it the way I show you. Time for the body, and we're drawing the shoulders by drawing two lines coming out from the bottom of the head, and then we're going down a little bit. And then afterwards, we're going in to form the sleeves. And now we draw a line coming down, two lines, and then we connect the two lines with a big curve. For the shorts, we draw a line coming out from the bottom left, and then afterwards we draw a curve from the bottom right, and then we connect those two with a slightly curved line like this. And now we draw the knee. Time for the arms, and those are pretty similar as well. We just draw two skinny 11s, and then you draw the fist like I showed you. And we do the same for the other side. And yeah, we're done with the girl. Now let's work on the dad. Draw the letter C from the girl's elbow, and then go down a little bit like I show you. This is the dad's hair. Now draw the dad's face like this. And then draw backwards C to form the dad's ears. So now let's work on the dad's body, who's gonna pose just like his daughter. He will also have his arms up as well. Okay, so now draw the dad's sleeves like I show you. Once you're done with the sleeves, draw two lines coming down from the sleeves. Then draw a curve at the bottom to connect the two lines like this. Now draw the pants like this. Next, draw the belt. Now, draw the belt straps. You can also add a back pocket as well by drawing a rectangle. Now, draw the dad's arms by drawing two number 11s on both sleeves. Then, draw the forearm like this on both arms. Now, draw the fists by drawing a square. Draw a curved line inside the square at the top. Do the same on the other arm. Now draw the bottom of the fist like this. Now draw a line inside the two fists like this. Then draw the forearm muscles like this, and then connect the two parts of the arms together. We are now done with the girl and the dad, and now it is time to ink. Once I finished inking, I went straight into coloring. Now that our drawing is done, it is time to work on the inside of the card. I used some colored paper inside, and I chose red because it matched the picture in the front, that we drew. Okay, so now let's work on the message. The message I'm writing is best dad ever, and I'm using some white Posca markers and paint to color, and black for the outlines. So here it is, here's my message, and yeah, you can see I outlined it, and I also added a little bit of hearts. You see, hearts, yeah. And now that our message is done, let's work on this side where we're going to be adding a picture frame. And to do this, I'm going to be using some orange paper. Okay, so I start off by measuring my photo and also making some adjustments and making the frame. So it should look something like this. Let the top of the frame be a little bigger than your picture so we can glue it. But yeah, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna fold this frame to the other side to measure the back of the frame. I'm gonna use a ruler so I can fold it accurately. Ask an adult if you need help. After I measured the back of the frame, I drew a line and then I cut that off a little so you can see that it's a little shorter. And now it's time to cut that middle piece off. And an important reminder, once you have cut it out, glue the top of the frame only. I repeat, do not glue the sides or the bottom. And if this is too complicated, you can always just glue the picture to the card. You don't need to make a frame. But yeah, here it is. And yeah, it looks pretty nice. Now it's time to glue the top, only the top. And yeah. Anyways, now that our frame is done, now it's time to glue the frame to the card. Once that's done, insert your picture in. Here, this is my dad and my sister here. I could have added myself in, but since this is a girl version, I don't think I should be in this, so yeah. Anyways, I'm done. Enjoy the review. Bye. Also, yeah, the picture can be removable, so that's why I wanted to make this frame. And yeah, also check out part 1 if you want to learn more about the dad and also how to write the messages and all that. And yeah, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.